Whenever Aam Aadmi Party or myself individually have been in crisis, DMK, all its leadership, and Thiru Stellinji have stood firm with us. Secondly, the kind of work that he's doing, welfare activities that he's doing for the people of Tamil Nadu is unprecedented. Such kind of work has not been seen by Tamil Nadu. In the last 5 years, the kind of development that has taken place in Tamil Nadu, especially the poor people and middle class people, are feeling a lot of relief because of his activities. Some of his schemes are worthy of emulating all over the country. And third reason is that whenever there is a crisis at the national level, especially when the national government has acted in dictatorial manner, whenever there's an assault on federalism or democracy, Thiru Stellinji's voice has been a very strong voice at the national level. He has stood for the country, he has stood for democracy, he stood for state federalism. That is the reason I've come to support Thiru Stellinji, and I appeal to the people of Tamil Nadu to vote overwhelmingly in his favor and in favor of his party, so that he wins with much better majority than last time. Of Tamil Nadu hate BJP. People of Tamil Nadu hate its divisive politics, its vicious politics. And that is the reason that BJP has not been able to make a mark in Tamil Nadu for so many years. This time they have got 27 seats. They're in alliance with ADMK. But everyone knows that ADMK is completely in the crutches of BJP. Even if BJP wins one seat, I'm sure people will not vote for NDA, they will not vote for ADMK, they will not vote for BJP. But suppose, theoretically, if they win, if NDA wins, then even if BJP gets one seat, they will form their own chief minister. They like they did in Bihar, in Nitish Kumar. So I want to tell the people that they should be wary of BJP, they should be wary of NDA, because NDA is BJP, it is not ADMK plus BJP, number one. Number two, last year in Delhi, people voted for BJP. They formed BJP government. In 1 year itself, people are fed up of BJP government. All the good work that we had done in the field of education, health, infrastructure, road, electricity, water has been undone by the BJP. So if people by mistake vote for BJP or NDA or ADMK, then all the good work that Thiru Stellinji has done in the last 5 years will all be undone in no time. So if the people want that all the good schemes and relief that and welfare activities that Thiru Stellinji is doing, then they should vote for him. Also, one of the reasons why I came for campaigning for DMK is that I spoke to large number of people from Tamil Nadu, different parts of the people are so happy, they are praising his governance. So if the people are happy in Tamil Nadu, why do you need a second alternative or a third alternative or a fourth alternative? There's just one alternative, and that is Stalin.